So yesterday I was talking about this tragedy where we open a trade after 1 hour of the opening session for London or the DAX German session, right? And I took the trade today. Let's go on the 1 hour at 9 in the morning for me. That was here. That was this candle, right? And if you're confused, I changed my candles. But if the green candle for you, it's yellow for me, and the red candle for you, it's gray for me. I think it better suits me. It's a psychology thing. So I drew the boxes today, right? And the euro went up, so I took a long here. I took the long at 1.15599, something like that. I can show you, and I'm already in profit. 2 boxes. So we are in the first box, right? And going into the second box. Now, I can take profit here at the end of the first box, or I let it run and I put my stop loss, which was here down. I already put it up here under this candle. And now I can just move the stop loss up, right? So if it comes back down, I will get stopped out, but in profit. Let's see how much I'm in profit. Let's go FTMO. You see, I'm in profit with this trade, $158, $157, yeah. But it's pending, right? So as you can see, the green line is the entry, 1.15599. I put my stop loss. I already put it on break even, or my stop loss is at $20. So if the price comes back, I will get stopped out, but with a profit of $20, which is not much, but at least I don't lose money on this trade anymore, right? And I have set my take profit so far at 1.16039, which is 1.16039, which is kind of here, right? Kind of here. Maybe I will put it up there. Let's see what happens. But for now, I just let it go. And this is trading for it's for beginners, and it's very simplistic, right? But it also works most of the time. Of course, it doesn't work 100%, not on every trade, but I would say 70-80% of the time it works. So that's a good win rate. Thanks for watching.